that's essentially what happened. I mean, obviously, as the game could have gone either way. I think the boys played really well. Like for most of the game, they showed how good we are in terms of our attack, and then defensively when we got up and stopped them, it was really good. I know the Reds are a quality team. They brought their best team. I'm just stoked for the boys. I know there's a fair bit going on around our season, and you know, just so happy that these boys, Mess first time as captain to get the win. I might retire him from captain now. But yeah, the boys just showed what it means to play for the Drua. Oh yeah, of course, there's everything. Like I said, it's just good to be home. We now don't have to worry about getting on the road again and working out what we do Monday, Tuesday, travel Thursday. So we're looking forward to having the Blues here, 6-day turnaround. We'll look after the boys. They deserve to be looked after on a pretty hot day. And we're looking forward to the Blues and you know, we're good friends with Vern Cotter and what he's done with Fiji Rugby. I'm just stoked that he's going to be here with a good team. Well, look, we knew we had a good bench with six forwards, and I thought those guys came on and gave us very good input. You know, as a Kelly, we know he's a bit of a golden boy, and we tried to last as long as we can getting him on, so it was great that he scored a try. But I thought our starting team did a really good job. You know, we scored well early doors, we looked after the ball early doors. Quality team like the Reds are always going to come back in. This is Super Rugby, you know, like we say we let them back in. We don't try and let them back in. They're quality teams that comes back in. So, like I said, with all the things going on, whether it's been positive or negative, I'm just stoked for the boys that they were able to find a win.
I'm just happy for the boys, you know, and us as a management. It's been a tough season for us, but that win means a lot for us. I'm just happy for the boys, and I'm glad we got away with the win today. It was a hard battle today. The boys came out on top, so kudos to the Reds for their effort. But we're going away with the win. Like I said on yesterday, it's one game at a time. So we got away with this one, and we can work on to this one. Sorry? Obviously, like what our coach said, we need to work on everything. There are small things and small niggles that we need to fix to get us better, getting us ready for the Blues coming here. Obviously, Blues is not an easy team, struggling this season, but we're looking forward to the challenge. Like I said, one day at a time, and we'll build again towards Friday.
A hot Suva day that we know the Reds are unbelievably well coached, a quality outfit that, like I said, brought their A team. We knew they were going to come with a bit of fire on their bench, which they did, and just their whole idea was trying to balance it with what we did. And I thought, like I said, I thought all the players brought impact, and that's what we're after from them. Yeah, I'm so happy for Kimu. Like we played him at 12, sort of got him into 12 a little bit, and then it was just a decision to put him back at 10. That's what he is. I thought he kicked extremely well, especially in that first half. He got the boys into some really good positions, great kicking, ran the game really well, and to have 80 minutes that he hasn't played 80 minutes for a long time. So for him to come on, really happy for the guy, you know, and just we know we've got a quality rugby player in Kim. Yeah, no, he's a kid, isn't he? He's a talented young man that has got a golden touch. I think we're going to manage him. He's still a baby, and we've got to look after that boy. And yeah, when he was 16, I think or 17, he played for the Warriors. And then I knew he was going to be a superstar, and I think he deserves what he got today because he works hard, and I love everything about him. Okay, thank you.